equation and inequation. Now, before going to learn linear inequation, first let us know what is linear equation first. As we have studied polynomials before, we know that it was being classified based on terms and based on powers. Now, when we are classifying based on powers, we are classifying into linear, quadratic, and third one we are classifying into cubic polynomial. And further also we are having many more classifications like biquadratic and all, but we will be studying these three only mainly. Linear polynomial means when algebraic expression is expressed with highest power as 1, like 3x plus 2, 4x plus 5, like that. So this kind of equations are known as a linear equation in one variable. Second, quadratic will be referred as any expression referred in with highest power, that is 2. Ax square plus bx plus c, that is 3x square plus 2x plus 5. In this one we have degree of polynomial as 2, and here we are having degree, that is highest power of the variable as 1. So degree of polynomial is 1 here. When we go on further for cubic polynomial, at that time we will be getting equation as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. In this we have degree of polynomial as 3. Now when we are seeing based on terms, that we all have studied previously also, but let us explain once again. Now first, based on terms, that we will say monomial. Second is binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, and then we have polynomial. Now see, mono means single, that is one term. Any expression with x, 100x, this whole will be referred as a single term classification of polynomials, that is monomial. Next we have binomial. When we are saying binomial, at that time expression will be written as, for example, ax plus b, we have two terms like this, like 3x plus 2 or 3x square plus 5, we have two term expression. Next, trinomial, we will be having three terms expression in this manner. Quadrinomial, we will be having four terms classification, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms we are having. And in polynomials we will have more than 4 or more than 5 terms expression, that will be referred as a polynomial. Poly means many, we will say. Quad means 4 terms. Tri means 3 terms. Bi means 2 terms. In this way, the based on terms we were classifying the polynomials into these sections. Now what we have to learn here is what is linear equation. So this was the basic classification, that what is a linear equation in one variable. We saw that. Now we will come to linear inequation. Now what is the difference between inequation and equation? Before that we must also know that any polynomials, when we are referring, that is known as what? Why it is known as, when it is known as an equation and when it is known as an inequation. Equation, when we are referring any linear equation, when we are referring any linear equation in the form of ax plus b equal to 0, that is with respect to equal to, we are giving any constant values, comparing with any constant values, like 3x plus 2 equal to 5. Here equal to sign is there, then that expression will be referred as an equation. But instead of equal to sign, if we are using the comparators, like for example ax plus b is greater than c, or I will say 3x plus 2 is greater than 5, 3x minus 2 is less than 5, 3x plus 2 is greater than equal to 5, 3x minus 2 is less than equal to 5. If we are using the comparators as shown here, these are the comparators. in mathematical terms, these are known as comparators, that is less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. These are the comparators which we are using. These comparators are known as the inequality symbols. These are the inequality symbols which we are using in place of equal to sign. So that's why this expression will be referred, this whole expressions will be referred as, they are known as inequation. They will be referred as inequation, and this kind of expression is known as a equation. Clear everyone? Now we will proceed to the inequation, that how to solve the inequations. That will be similar to the solution of equations or in one variable only. Now let us see the example of solution of this example only. That is 3x plus 2 equal to is less than 5 is given. For example. Now what we will do? Just shift this 2 on the right side. What you will get? 3x less than 5 minus 2. You will get 3x less than 3. Take this 3 down. Then you will get x less than 3 upon 3. 3 got cancelled out. X is less than 1. This is the solution you are getting. Now x less than 1, it means what? That your value will be below 1. That is, the starting point will be minus infinity to 0, I will say. Reason is, it is less than 1. That's why. Now, we need to see the conditions that when it is. Now we will continue with the solutions of the linear inequation, how to solve the inequation when question is given in this format. See, 25 minus 4x less than equal to 16. We have to find the smallest value of x when x belongs to R. Now remember this symbol, this refers to as belongs to. Now we go for the linear equation in one variable. How to solve the equations when the questions are given in this format? 25 minus 4x less than equal to 16. We have to find smallest value of x when x is belonging to R. Remember that this symbol refers to as belongs to. That is mentioned over here. Similarly, we have to find second question, that is smallest value of x when x belongs to Z. First we will solve for condition x belongs to R. This will be first solution. How to solve that? Remember the transpose method. First we will transpose the value by shifting the numbers to the right or left. First I will shift this 25 minus 4x less than equal to 16 is given. I will shift this 25 on the right side. This method is known as transpose method, in which we are shifting any one value to the right or left of the equation. Now minus 4x will get less than equal to 16, plus 25 is there, it will become what? Minus 25. Now in the next step, subtract this value, what you will get? 25 minus 16 is 9. This will be minus 9. I will put the value minus 9 over here, minus 4x here. Now remember one thing, this is a variable with that number is in multiplication and with negative sign. Whenever a variable is having a negative sign, when this variable is shifting the negative sign value to the right or left side, at that time we will change the comparator symbol. So it will become x greater than equal to minus 9 upon minus 4. Remember that when we are shifting negative sign to the right or left at that time, and that too when this negative sign is with variable, at that time only this comparator symbol will change. It will change into opposite direction. This is less than equal to, this will become greater than equal to. Now minus minus becomes plus. You got this value. So x is greater than equal to 9 upon 4. This is my first condition. According to this condition, when it is belonging to R, my solution will be x greater than equal to 9 by 4. Convert that 9 by 4 into mixed fraction. You will get the idea that value belongs exactly to which condition. 9 by 4 means 4 2s are 8, that is 2 1 by 4. this will become 2 1 upon 4. This will be your mixed fraction condition. That means when I am showing it on a number line, at that time my value lies between 0 1 2 3 4. So the value is beyond 2 1 by 4. Means 2 and 3 I will divide into 4 parts. 1 2 3 like that. So 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and this is 3 by 4. So this is 3 by 4, 2 by 4. Greater than or equal to is given and belongs to our condition is there. So what I will do, I will shape this value. Put the dark circle on 1 by 4 at this position. This is my 2 1 upon 4 point here. Shade it with dark circle. Now the line goes up to infinity, up to the arrowhead. Now shade this line. This shows that value lies up to infinity. So these are the solutions of this equation. Now we'll go for the second equation, second part of the question, that is smallest value of x when x belongs to z. Now in this case, what will be your smallest value? Guess that. What will be that? The smallest value will be in the mixed fraction form only. This will be your smallest value, this position only. Similarly, we'll go for the next one when x belongs to z condition. Now see, we got the solution. Solution, this is same for both the conditions. But when x belongs to z at that time, this is when x belongs to r. At that time we are putting this value in this manner. But at x belongs to z, your value will become 2 1 by 4 means what? This is 1 upon 4. So at this point, dark circle, but we will not show this point because it is integers. So the numbers will be lying beyond this point, that is from 3 onwards we will show with a dark circle, but on the numbers itself. Will not shape the whole line as we did in real numbers, because in integer we will show the numbers itself only, not the fractions in between that. So this is my 2 1 by 4 position, but this will be in empty only because we are not using that value right now. So your solution, lowest number will be starting from 3, 4 and so on. So your lowest value will be 3 in this case. And here 2 1 by 4 is your lowest value. Because condition is real number, here condition is integers. Now we will go for the next question. Question 2, it says that 2x minus 10 less than 3x minus 15. In this case, again the same thing. Rearrange the like terms as we have studied previously also in algebra, that arrange the like terms to one side and the normal numbers to the another side. Take minus 10 on the right side, take 3x on the left side, but it will become 2x minus 3x. Sign is same, less than minus 15. Minus 10 is on the right side, so it will become plus 10. 2x minus 3x, these are like terms. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this will become minus x less than minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5. Now see, again one more thing we have here. What will happen here? X is having a negative sign. So when negative sign is shifting to the right side, the comparator symbol will change. So this will be becoming x greater than minus 5 upon minus 1. Minus minus will become plus. So your value will be plus 5. Now we need to leave this equation up to here because here no conditions are given, that you have to find solution for x belongs to r, x belongs to z. It is the same. Solve the inequality. Well, this is your solution itself. That's it. When answer is given, if it says that x belongs to z, or x belongs to w, or x belongs to n, at that time we will write the solution as, will not use 5 because it is strictly greater than, so answer will be 6, 7 and so on up to infinity. In that way we will show the value. Now third one. For the third one, solve the inequation 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to x minus 12. Now x belongs to n is given over here. First what we will do, 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to x minus 12. Shift x on the minus 2x on the right side and minus 12 on the left side. So this will become 3 plus 12 greater than or equal to x plus 2x. Add these two, you will get 3x and here 12 plus 3 is 15. Now shift this 3 on the left side, it will go in denominator. So 55 greater than or equal to x, or we can write x less than or equal to 5. This is my solution. Now it is states that x belongs to n. When x belongs to n is given here, for condition x belongs to n, your solution will be, we know that capital N means what? It is a natural number, and natural number starts with which number? 1, 2 and so on. So therefore, here less than or equal to 5 is given, so your answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now it's done. So these are the 3 examples, different kinds of, which I have shown here. Now in the next lecture I will show you the examples in which we have both the sides inequality symbols and how to solve those kind of sums.